Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to share the powerful summary of a life-changing book written by Ryan Holiday, Discipline is Destiny. This book teaches us that the biggest secret behind success, greatness, happiness, confidence, and peace is self-discipline. If you really want to transform your life, achieve your dreams, and become the best version of yourself, then this book is a must-read. So let's begin this inspiring and detailed summary of Discipline is Destiny. Part 1: The Power of Self-Discipline. Ryan Holiday explains that discipline is not about forcing or controlling yourself, but about managing your life with purpose. In life we always face two choices. 1. The path of comfort, easy but ordinary. 2. The path of discipline, hard but extraordinary. Our daily decisions shape our future. When we control our habits, wake up on time, stop procrastinating, manage our emotions, and set boundaries, that's real discipline. The author says, greatness is not built by talent, but by discipline. Examples. Mahatma Gandhi used self-discipline as his greatest power. MS Dhoni became a legendary captain through calmness and discipline. Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, and many world leaders succeeded by being extremely disciplined. Part 2: Discipline of the Body. A strong mind cannot exist inside a weak body. Physical discipline builds endurance, strength, and self-control. What we should do: exercise daily, eat healthy, maintain sleep routine, stay away from addictions and unhealthy habits. When we discipline our body, half of our success journey becomes easier. The author says that successful people never waste energy on laziness or excuses. Every day they invest time in maintaining their body and energy. Part 3: Discipline of the Mind. Mental discipline is the foundation of a peaceful and successful life. A disciplined mind stays calm in difficult situations, thinks clearly, and makes the right decisions. How to build mental discipline. Meditation and silence. Limiting social media. Reading every day. Practicing positive thinking. Self-awareness. Ryan Holiday writes, the person who conquers his mind, conquers the world. Because the real battlefield is inside our thoughts. Part 4: Discipline of Emotions. Anger, jealousy, ego, greed, fear, doubt, these emotions can destroy life if we do not control them. Discipline means giving emotions the right direction, not suppressing them. Examples. MS Dhoni's calm nature under pressure. Buddha and Mahavira's path of peace. Soldiers who are trained to stay stable even in danger. To control emotions, think before reacting. Do not respond in anger. Do not take stress on small issues. React less, respond wisely. Part 5: Discipline of Actions. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. Dreams require consistent action, not temporary excitement. Ryan Holiday says consistency is more important than motivation. Success comes only to those who work every day, even when they don't feel like working. Tips. Build a morning routine. Do your priority tasks first. Remove distractions. Achieve small daily goals. Small consistent actions create big results. Part 6: Learn to say no. One of the strongest forms of discipline is learning to say no. Not to people, but to distractions and time-wasting activities. No to unnecessary social gatherings. No to negative people. No to unhealthy habits. When you protect your time and energy, you increase your value. Boundaries are important for success. Part 7: Discipline creates greatness. The author says that every great person in history had one thing in common: discipline. Greatness is not given by luck or birth. It is built by strong choices repeated every single day. Discipline equals freedom. It does not limit your life, it actually gives you more control and power. Key lessons from the book. 1. Control your desires and habits. 2. Stop making excuses. 3. Improve yourself every day. 4. Protect your time and energy. 5. Discipline shapes your destiny. If you choose discipline today, success will choose you tomorrow. Friends, remember, your life is your decision. Either choose comfort and live an average life, Or choose discipline and live an extraordinary one. Start today. Start now. Small steps daily create a big transformation. So friends, this was the complete summary of the powerful book, Discipline is Destiny. I hope you found this video inspiring and helpful. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. Comment below which lesson motivated you the most. And share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing book summaries and motivational content. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, stay disciplined and keep moving toward your dreams.